Hey everybody, today I'll show you how I made this sun hat. I'll be using these placemats. This is a 6 set and it was about $6. So let's get started. So I'm going to find the ending of my placemat mat and I rip it open. After unwrapping the first layer, go ahead and pull those threads. It will really help out to everything to come out easily. And even if you just right at this moment, you just go ahead and get that piece and just pull it. It's really so easy. But when you get somewhere where you're stuck, that means they double stitch that place. So don't pull so hard, just cut the thread and continue. So be careful with pulling this string. You don't want to pass where you want the round top part to be. So I really want this to be, let's see, I want it to be about 5.75 to 6 inches wide. So that line and this line, so I just want to make sure I don't pass it. I'm just being careful because when you're pulling this, is really so quick since it just rips it open. So I reached my goal, and what I did, I just went ahead and cut off all these excess threads that I was pulling out, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and continue wrapping it on here. Remember, this is our top part and this is where we stopped, like opening it up. We are going to go ahead and sew it. I'm going to start a little bit far away from here to make sure everything stays secure. As you come to the edge, you want to, where we stopped, where our opening was, you're going to go ahead and carve this part up because we want to get that curved shape. I don't know how they call it. The brim. No, it's not the brim. The part that go before the brim. So make sure you pull this a little bit tight. You can see now it's really shaping the shape of the ball. Just continue pushing your, like holding it upwards like this, as you saw. Just like that. As you pull on this a little bit, just a little bit. So you can put it on your head to see if that's the size that you wanted this part to be. So this is what I got, and this is where I stopped. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim this little part from the end. And now it's time for us to put our brim. So I'm going to start with the different placemat. and I cut off this curved edge. We want to begin with our curved edge on here for our brim. So we're going to lay this piece under our edge. Make sure you secure it before you continue. We want to lay this part like this until so that our part can become flat. So as your brim starts to make that flatter shape, you start like to ease from, you know, like trying to shape it. You can just go with the flow right now because it's already flat. It will be much simpler because you just go with the flow. Okay, so this is how it looks like with one mat. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with the remaining of the first mat. I'll just go ahead and stack it under this. So this is the end of my brim, and I'm going to start on 2 mats. You can continue as long as how much wide you want your brim to be. And this is how I'm going to be finishing the ending. I'm going to make sure I stack the ending at the bottom, and then I go ahead and sew. So as I get to the end, make sure you backstitch it to secure, and you're finished. So I went ahead and cut a long strap of fabric and just wrapped it around my hat and made a bow out of it. I didn't sew it, I didn't do anything out of it. I just cut it and sewn it over there around it. You can also leave it without anything, but I just thought this could be more cuter when I add something to it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, leave a comment. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.